Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your Instagram account to your TikTok. So the steps where you need to go on how to get it done. So for you to get that done, go on your TikTok, and when you get on your TikTok, click on edit profile. And when you get there, you can see where it says Instagram. So click on Instagram. And right now, you all you have to do is just to log in into your Instagram, so you can log in. And when you log in into your Instagram, automatically it's going to connect to your TikTok. So basically, that's how you add your Instagram account to your TikTok. And if you want to do the same for YouTube, just go back right now. So you can as well also click on YouTube. Then it's going to take you to where you can select whichever Gmail that is connected to your YouTube account that you want to link to your TikTok. So basically, that's how you go about it. And I hope you find the video useful. And if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. See you in my next video. Bye.